हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप कैसे हैं। हम आपको आज कवर कराने वाले हैं इंग्लिश लिटरेचर परसू पंडित रविशंकर शुक्ल यूनिवर्सिटी के सिलेबस के अनुसार विलियम शेक्सपियर के नोट्स, जो कि हमारे कोर्स में है परसू यूनिवर्सिटी के बीए फर्स्ट ईयर पेपर 1 इंग्लिश लिटरेचर। तो आपको विलियम शेक्सपियर का क्वेश्चन अगर पूछा जाए और उसके सोनेट्स के बारे में पूछा जाए तो आपको इस तरीके से नोट्स बनाना है व इस नोट्स का यूज आप कर सकते हैं। तो देरी न करते हुए सीधा हम पॉइंट पर आते हैं। क्वेश्चन रहेगा, राइट ए नोट्स ऑन शेक्सपियर एज ए सोनेटियर। तो अपने को सॉल्व कैसे करना है, देखिए। आंसर, इंट्रोडक्शन। Shakespeare is used as a synonym for English literature. He is the most celebrated poet and playwright of the Renaissance in England. He is the world's greatest dramatist and a very sensitive and intelligent poet. He is equally praised for his plays and sonnet, his work. अब उसके कार्यों को देखते हैं, मतलब उसकी रचनाएं को। अब हिज वर्क में आएगा पोएम्स, वेन्यूज एंड एनोनिस 1593 में, द रेप ऑफ लुक्रीस 1594, द फोनिक्स एंड द टर्टल 1601, द सोनेट्स 1593 टू 1603। अब शेक्सपियर सोनेट्स, his 154 sonnets from two group. The first group 1 to 126 is addressed to a young man of matchless beauty, and the second group to a dark lady 127 to 154. Though there is much that is traditional and conventional in these sonnets, they are also a record of his genuine experience of life. G. Wilson Knight explained the two groups as the two persons are aspect of Shakespeare's soul, whatever they may have been in their overnight, and he is further involved in their relationship with each other. G. Wilson Knight ने ये कहा है। Sonnet is a literary form. The term sonnet is derived from Italian for little song or little sound, is a 14-line fixed lyrical form. It was perfected by Petrarch 1304 से 1374 के बीच in the 13th century in Italy. The rhyme scheme of Petrarch sonnet was as following. जो उसके लय हैं, उसके लेखन के तरीके हैं, वो इस प्रकार हैं: ए बी बी ए, सी डी ई और सी डी सी, डी ई डी और सी डी ई, डी सी ई. द इंग्लिश सोनेट डायरेक्टली फॉलो द स्कीम ऑफ पेट्रार्च practiced by Sir Thomas Watt and Henry Howard, the Earl of Surrey. Shakespeare sonnet scheme. The Shakespeare sonnet consists of 3 quatrain, 4-line stanza and a concluding closed couplet. It has its own structure comprising exposition, elaboration, exemplification and inference. The first quatrain exposes the theme, the second and the third enlarge and exemplify the exposition, and the couplet concluded the little song. The rhyme scheme is as below: A B B, A B, A B, C D C D, E F E F and G G. Theme of Shakespeare sonnet. Shakespeare sonnet are superior work of artistry. Love times and friendship are their major themes. The lyrical focus on a variety of feelings and impulses relating to masculine love as well as sexual love. In about 126 sonnet, the idealization of male friendship is the main theme. In other 28 sonnet, the poet expresses his yearning for a mistress dark lady. The last two sonnets of the 154 sonnet are the conventional love sonnet on Cupid, which also depict the poet's own outlook on love as a noble passion of life. Flower image in the sonnet. A number of images cluster round flower. The use of flower imagery was a fashion of the time, but Shakespeare flower images are starting and show the hand of the master. So some example: the summer flower is to the summer sweet, though to itself it only love and die. तो सोनेट 94 से ये है। और उसके बाद फ्रॉम फेयरेस्ट क्रिएचर वी डिजायर इंक्रीज दैट देयर बाई ब्यूटीज रोज माइट ए नेवर डाई, सोनेट 1। मेटाफर्स एंड इमेजेस। Caroline Spurgeon aptly remarked about the use of metaphors and images in Shakespeare's sonnet in the following words: it is a fire, a furnace, a blast, a lightning; it is an arrow, a shake, and a war; it is a field, a drink, and a banquet; it is a plant, a fruit, a sickness, and a wood; a fever; it is a building, on firm, on freight, 14 and fair and strong, on in a runs; it is a consist as a sun, falls as water, musical as a applause. Cute, Caroline Spurgeon। हम आपको नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में इसके सोनेट्स के बारे में बताएंगे, फ्रॉम फेयरेस्ट क्रिएचर वी डिजायर इंक्रीज एंड लिटिल लव गॉड। थैंक यू।